guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this cool tortoise-shelled fall themed pedicure to share with you all. I hope you'll enjoy and let's get right into it. So it has been a while since my last pedicure I did. They're outgrowing and chipping and it's time for a new pedi. So I'm going to begin by grabbing my nail clippers and using them to remove any gems. Then I'm going to grab my Air C nail drill and I'm going to grab the large barrel bit, switch it on to maybe around 10 to 15 RPMs and then use that to drill off the gel polish. In this design I used a purple chrome powder on top of a gel base coat, and the video of how I did these is on my channel as well. After that, I'm going to grab my mandrel and put on a fine sanding band and use this at low RPMs to go over the nails one more time just to make sure I didn't leave any bits of the polish left. Next, I'm going to grab the needle head bit and use this to go around the cuticles very gently to remove any dead skin. This will help prevent lifting and give us more room on the nail plate to work. Alright, so now once our nails are all prepped and ready, it's time to get into the nail art. For base coat, I'm going to be using Super Chic's Long Lasting Color Bonding Base Coat. I'm going to apply a coat to all of the toenails. So for this tortoiseshell design, I first practiced it a little bit on my nail stand here. I will be using regular nail polish. On the big toenails, I'm going to apply a coat of this dark red nail polish. This one by OPI is so vibrant and opaque in one coat. I'm then going to grab a black nail polish. Here I'm using one by LA Colors, and I'm going to apply that to the next little toenail. On the last 3 toenails, I'm going to apply an orange nail polish. Now we're ready to start the tortoise design. I'm going to put down a small amount of the red nail polish and then add in a little bit of black. Then I'm going to mix the colors together to create a dark red-black color. Then using the toothpick, I'm very simply blobbing on colors of the black. This technique is really easy and simple, making it a great idea for an easy pedicure. I'm then going to put down some plain black nail polish and apply this to the center of the blobs already there to create some dimension. I'm then going to let that dry for a little bit while I go and add a second coat of color to the other nails. Next, I'm actually going to grab some clear nail polish and mix a little bit of black into it. I'm then going to grab this new sheer mixture I made and apply it randomly and in between the black splotches. Now I'm going to finish up doing this design on the other foot. Finally, I'm going to grab my top coat and apply this to all of the nails to seal and protect my new design. As you just saw, this look is very easy to pull off and you don't need any fancy products or gel polish to do it. I think this design is perfect for fall. Let me know what you all think. Anyways, that was it for today's video. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would. I post nail videos like this every Wednesday. If you want to see more pedicure videos from me, I do have a playlist put together and you can find that in the upper right corner of your screen and below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching all the way to the end. I do hope to see you in my next video as well, and have a magical day.